Here I am. Sorry I'm late today. Of course, I just got back from the trip, so I'm trying to catch up on things. But on Thursdays, we normally just talk about some fun stuff, new stuff, and things that I've tried that I enjoyed. I didn't try a whole lot since I was gone, but we're going to talk about stuff. I'm going to show some of the stuff I got when I was in Italy from the Kiko Milano store. And I just washed my face, so I'm putting on my serum here. I'll get you all a link. I'm probably going to do some more makeup, so I'm not going to go full skincare routine. Just this serum and then probably some moisturizer. Actually, I feel like that's going to be enough, especially just for putting on something else. But I am going to put on my Elemis eye cream. I'm about to have to get more of this. I'm going to need it. Look, I feel like a little bit goes a long way, though. It's lasted me a really long time. And then these skincare brushes that you see me use, they're from Anissa Beauty. There we go. All right, now let's chat. I just didn't want to sit here with a big, face. How it gets crunchy. Blech. So here's some of it. I don't want to overwhelm y'all because there's so much, but we'll kind of go through some of it. I did get some foundations and I didn't swatch them on my face. And I want to see if they're going to match me. What do we have here? Here's a powder highlighter. So when I went to Milan, I found out that Kiko Milano is everywhere. The way that we have, I can't even think MAC, like there's more stores there than there is MAC stores here. They're everywhere. They're absolutely everywhere. So I did get us a highlighter. I was feeling a highlighter mood. Also, Kiko Milano is on Amazon. So let's swatch this, minus whatever this crustiness is on the back of my hand. It's me, I'm the reason we can't have nice things. Ooh, that's really pretty. I didn't look how pretty that is. I'm excited. Okay, so there's that. There's so much. I'm not gonna overwhelm y'all. So like I said, I'm trying to be selective on what I show. I'm not even sure I'm gonna like everything, so we'll see. But this definitely caught my eye, and this is called a contour stick from them. It's a little bit warm, but that is a bronzer on me is going to be fantastic. And I've tried the other ones, and I know I like that formula, but I didn't have this color, and this one's the shade 200. These are really amazing. I hope that these are available on Amazon because y'all are really, really, really gonna like these. In fact, I'm gonna put this right here so I can use it tomorrow. It's ready. So immediately, yes, I saw this and I fell in love. This is one of their high pigment eyeshadows. Let's give this a little swatchy swatch. Okay, immediately, yes. Immediately. Their eyeshadows. Okay, I haven't tried this formula. Obviously, this is perfect. But their wet and dry eyeshadows, 10 out of a 10. I'm excited to use these. And how cool is this? I saw this and I said, please come to my home. It's gonna be a little similar, maybe a little bit more sparkly than that. Let's swatch it next to it. Oh my God, these feel wet in the best way. It's a darker shade. Good gracious. Okay, I'm gonna wipe my finger off on Sheila. And then I'm gonna grab the silver. Oh my gosh. I'm telling y'all, their shadows don't play. All right, before we move on, my best friends here, all of you are telling me that Elemis is having a 25% off sale. My favorite is that eye cream and then this morning matrix and of course the cleansing balm. So if those are on sale at all, oh no, wait, this too, the superfood, Ciccacom. There it is, okay? Screenshot that. It's just the superfood Ciccacom. I know it's backwards, but you'll know the green bottle. But those are my favorite. Anything Pro Collagen, and then of course the new Fig scented. They have unscented as well. I know a lot of people don't like scented, but the Fig scented is my favorite, but there is unscented. Anyways, Elemis is having a sale. Go. By the way, this darker blue from the Duo has more sparkle in it. This one's more of a pearl, and then this one's darker, and it has sparkle. Speaking of sparkle, I had to have these glitter shower eyeshadows. I'm gonna show you the blue one. I love makeup. It's so much fun. Oh. That is absolutely stunning. You can see the texture better on my finger. Look at this. That is wild. That is pure pigment with absolute glitter. This is, okay, I feel like the moment someone shows these are going to go viral. I hope these are on Amazon. Now I want to go check. So I didn't see the blue one, but there are a few of the glitter shadows there. So I think this one was there. This is, I got this one too, 01. I'm so excited for these. I cannot express my excitement enough. I would start squealing. Immediately, yes. Immediately, yes. And they're just so sparkly, but then they're not puffing. And what puffing is and fluffing is when you apply a shadow and then it starts to kind of come away from the skin. It'll kind of lift. You'll do that and you'll start to see little fluff start to happen. Even though it's adhering to the skin, it's kind of puffing up. These are not doing that. I'm excited for these. And then I got a glitter liner. And then I want to swatch one of the foundations. But look at this. That's so nice. So nice. Pigmented, not patchy. Love the little, it's a very thin brush. It'd be so nice just to go right underneath a wing. I'm so excited for all this. I feel like we're on to something, and I love that it's affordable. So this one's supposed to be super full coverage. This is a 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. I got shade CR20. What did I tell y'all about shaking stuff up? It's important. Is it a wand? Ooh, pretty good match. I'm just gonna blend it out really quickly, just here on my jawline. Ooh, it is coverage. Oh, I love the match. Ooh, and this is in my natural sunlight too. Love the match. Okay, I did good. Because I didn't even try it there. I'm excited. I'm excited. This is also going right there. Get ready for that. I kind of can't get over the match. All right, we got more stuff. Again, trying not to overwhelm you. I need to put this over here. Good enough. I got another water eyeshadow. This is shade 18. Actually, this one might be different. And the reason why is because this one just says water. The other ones that I use are the wet and dry. So I got a little bit of water here from my Froggy Straw. Okay, I got that in there. Ooh. Okay, we got a nice little paste here. Ooh, that's pretty. I love greens. Obviously, I like green and blue. I mean, I like this color too, but this is really nice. And it dries and it's not leaving a film. It's completely dry already. And now it's not leaving a film at all. Little goes a long way, good gracious. And then they have a new collection out. It's the, I don't know, it's this packaging. I feel bad for not knowing, but I got so excited that I just went to town. And then I got a bronzer to try out. Super soft, just super, super soft. It might actually be a little too light for me, but it would be a good transition. I think I got another one too. Let me see what I got. Yeah, that's gonna be better. That's shade 2. That's gonna be really nice on me. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so soft, and I just know it's gonna be blurring because of how it's pressed. Ooh, I'm excited for this. Yee, look at this. Okay, mattes are always hard to swatch. They just never swatch well, so let's not judge it. Oh, it swatched perfectly. It's so good. Oh my goodness. I love it. It just makes me so happy when we find affordable things that are just amazing. Then we're going to swatch the sparkly sparkles. Wow. These together, we're doing a look. I'm leaving this right here. We're doing a look. Ooh, I didn't even tell you what it is. Okay, so Create Your Balance is this collection, and then this is the Gaze Defining Eyeshadow Duo in 03 Power Surge. And then we had this engraved right here. Isn't that so pretty? They had, I showed on my story, they had the engraving station. Look how pretty this color is. Oh, I love this formula. I feel like that's my lips, but a little bit better. And the shade is 02. Yeah, 02. This is the Unlimited Stylo. That goes right there. All right, so that's enough for right now. We'll keep going through it, but like I said, there's quite a bit, so that's going to be enough for today. Let's talk about a few more things that I got. There's a couple things that I tried before I left that I wanted to talk about. So we tried this yesterday. I absolutely loved it. I'm going to do more looks with it. Stay tuned. And I'm also going to save that one to YouTube. I'll actually upload that later. It should be up tomorrow. But the mattes are so beautiful and so soft, and they're like suede. And another really good way to describe this is, do you know when we're in a hurry and we just need things to blend together very quickly? This is what I call an in a rush matte. There are some mattes that are not that. And a great example is the Pat McGrath mattes. Those are definitely not in a rush mattes. Those are very hard to blend mattes, but these are just so easy and they just mush together perfectly. I love this. And I also love the bases. Y'all know I love a tacky base. These KVD jelly situations, everybody's doing videos with them now. They're amazing. And I just know y'all are gonna love them and you're gonna just go, wow, thank you. Look at that tiniest amount. This is Violet Aurora. Yes, Violet Aurora. Okay, you see that? Okay, so it's just giving shadow, right? And then the more you tap it, the more it just becomes the most sparkliest sparkle fest you've ever sparkled. Look at that. Ooh, that's so pretty. And I have the video on my page somewhere. Did you just hear my cat say my name? What, baby? Do you need me? Jean? So cute. Ooh, this is a big deal. So I filmed some stuff last night and I filmed some stuff today, and I was able to try out the Haus Labs concealer. I still prefer the Natasha Denona, hands down. And also while I was in Sephora, I was able to swatch my perfect shade, which is R5 in the Natasha Denona. And it wasn't as, they didn't have a shade that was this perfect for me. So here's the Natasha Denona shade. That's my perfect shade. It's just perfect. This sunlight's making it look a little more golden than it is. It's not. It's very, very, very pink, very red. But this color was the closest in my range. And I just find that it's not as pigmented, but this one's too light and a little too warm. Again, I swatched all of them in my range next to the Natasha Denona, and I'm not gonna switch. Not a bad concealer, but I just feel that it didn't perform the same way that the Natasha did. Now, one thing I have been using like crazy is the white foundation to mix with this, and this is my new go-to foundation at the moment. I just picked this up recently. I bought both of these, by the way, and I bought the concealer. So I love, love, love these. It also says to don't throw it. Don't throw it at people. You stay nice out there. I almost threw it. But it definitely says to shake it well, so I just want to remind y'all to shake it. But I really love the foundation. The concealer was just not what I'm used to. I think that Natasha one is just so thought out. Oh, it's just so good. Haven't tried this palette yet, but I better come in close. I just got this one, the 1111 palette from ColourPop, and I did one side of, I did a half and half. You'll see later. It's so cool. But I feel that these are a very soft texture, these mattes. And it's funny that I just stumbled upon them. Maybe there's been an advancement in formulas recently and a lot of brands are doing it, but there's a really beautiful softness to these shadows. It's not quite as soft as the Patrick Ta, but it has a very similar texture. So I'm not going to say that this is a dupe. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying that these mattes are very, 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 they even feel soft. So it's kind of maybe an homage to the mattes in the Patrick Ta. Plus, I like the other shimmers in this. I think it's beautiful. We'll use this tomorrow and then the blue sparkles. I want to use these mattes and the blue sparkles, so y'all remind me when I sit down tomorrow, because I sit down and I just get wild and forget what I'm doing. Okay, that's going to be it today. That was a lot, I know. But I'm excited. We'll create with the Kiko stuff. And I still have more stuff to show you, but we'll just go into it. That was like the things that really made my makeup art sing. And we're going to use some of that tomorrow. I'm not sure what I'm going to post tonight. I might not post. I don't know. We'll see. But get ready for tomorrow. I mean, we're having Feral Monday and Feral Friday, Feral Wednesday. I'm out of control. But I'm so excited to use my stuff. So we'll see how it all performs tomorrow. I love you so much. In case nobody's told you today, I love you. All right, we'll see you soon, later. So bye for now.